All right, so today we're out here working on this SVL behind me. Customer called us last week and said he was in the woods doing some sort of a job and he snapped the track off. So today's plan is we're gonna slack the front idler back, throw a new track on it, and get this guy back up and running. So I like to put those rags there because I'm gonna have about a 1.5 tubes worth of grease to come out and say this was, customer's driveway or, a very special job site. I don't want none of that stuff ending up outside of the machine. So try to do everything we can to keep it nice, neat, and clean. So right now I got a bunch of frozen mud inside this idler. So I'm trying to thaw it out, to collapse it, so that way we can get the new track on. Normal process for this is less than 30 minutes, but in this situation, everything's harder when it's cold. So the key for this to work, it's plus or minus a ½ inch in either direction. If you're off, it will not go on no matter what. So when we're all said and done here, I'm gonna have to inform the customer these sprockets are well past due to being replaced. I believe it's going to the shop. I'm sure they're gonna tell him there, but I'll let him know before he takes the machine. I already noticed a lot of play in that front idler, so there's a good chance this customer is going to need a full rebuild on all the moving parts on this track frame. It's nice that we have all these aftermarket parts to save the guys some money, So in a normal situation, coming out to just do this, we grease the whole machine, check all the fluids, advise the customer of anything that we saw over here. So that way they know that there could be further repairs and their machine, might not be 100% when we leave it. So now all that's left is adjust the track, load it on the customer's machine, we can go home. It's another day in paradise.
See, I have nice straight lines on all sides. Yes. So you have a nice tight line, pretty much a nice tight line here. So this is the point you're going to be looking at when you're trying to see how loose your tracks are. So if this starts looking like a C, a backwards C or whatever, depending on what side you're looking at, that's how you know your tracks are getting pretty loose. Your cheat sheet that you can do without having the whole thing up in the air to truly check your distance between the bottom rollers and the track. Just put your bucket down all the way, pick the front end of the machine up, and you should be able to fit about a singular finger underneath here in the track.
Okay.
That should be your rough tension. That way there's a little bit of give if you hit something. It can crawl over stuff or whatnot, but it's not so loose that it's gonna just start walking itself off.